Hey guys, it seems that whenever I take a break, things just start ramping up. Alright, so apparently JBS, a food production company, got hacked and they stopped producing their beef products and their products that's like 1/5 of the beef production and of the United States stopped because somebody hacked them. Also, China is dealing with the bird flu. Apparently, they're dealing with new cases of bird flu, and it's affecting people in China. So much stuff going on. Also, $6 a gallon in California for gas prices. So things are ramping up in the sense of, bad things happening, but pray for each other, take care of each other. When we least expect things to go right, somebody happens to be there. It's God putting people in your path. So pray for one another. Be that help that you needed. Be that person for somebody else, especially in these difficult times. Alright guys, just making this quick video, not making a full production video. See you guys next time. God bless.